Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo gi e thuolo ni loso e lok tich mar UNDP e boma ma Nairobi. Wadhi ane achiel kachiel mondo wawinj ane twak makamano.
Got the necessary skills that would allow you to positively contribute to the development of this country. And that for many years, security was largely understood in terms of law enforcement, security personnel, and physical operations. Those interventions still remain essential today, but our experience has taught us that an equally important lesson is that we cannot police our way out of every security challenge. Sustainable peace requires us to address not only the symptoms of insecurity, but also the conditions that allow crime, radicalization, and violent extremism to take root. Youth unemployment, socioeconomic exclusion, marginalization, and lack of meaningful opportunity can create vulnerabilities that criminal and extremist networks seek to exploit. That is why a program such as this, Brace for Peace, is important to our national security. And when a young person acquires a marketable skill and sees a pathway towards a better future, we are not simply addressing unemployment, but also building resilience, and ultimately, we are strengthening our security as a country. And under the broader Peace Building and Preventing Violent Extremism in East Africa program, which is supported through the government of the Republic of Korea, through KOICA, and implemented by UNDP. We are therefore taking a practical approach to prevention. We are addressing vulnerabilities at their root by equipping our young people and women with skills that respond directly to the economic opportunities available within those communities. So whether it's in Kilifi, whether it's in Kisumu, or in Isiolo, or even in Nairobi where we are actually speaking to that. And today we celebrate 450 vulnerable youths and women who have taken an important step towards transforming their livelihoods through technical education. The skills have been deliberately aligned to the economic realities and opportunities of each of the participating regions. So in Kilifi, we have 90 participants at Muyeye Vocational Training College, Mkwanjuni VTC, and Mzongoloni VTC, who are acquiring skills in coastal tourism, beadwork, and handicraft, positioning them to participate in local tourism and the creative economy value chain. In Isiolo, 90 beneficiaries at Uhuru Vocational Training College and Oldonyiro VTC are being trained in beekeeping and beadwork, converting locally available and climate-resilient resources into opportunities for enterprise and income generation. In Samburu, again, same number of young people and women across Maralal, Samburu North, and Baragoi in
Jogo masiro lwedo jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua mathothgi gin jotend duond bura mar DCP onyiero moko kuom weche